Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create Postgres procedure with different parameters. It's like without parameter and with only in parameter and inode parameter. Okay, let's see. Now I'm opening pgadmin. Okay, now I'm going to create one table. First, I need one table to manipulate further operations. Okay, table name is test. Okay, so I want, for example, number, that is numeric data type, and name should be text or worker. You can use whatever length you want, and creation date. I want date format. If you want, you can use timestamp as well. Okay, table created. Okay, here you can see the number is numeric and name is text, and the creation date is date function. Now we are going to create first. We are going to create without input. Create. Okay, so we can use create or replace. This one you know already, the create or replace definitions. Test. Okay, without parameter. Here I am going to mention language. Okay, so here language itself, you can use Python language as well here. Py Python 3 you, or whatever languages you want, you can extension that language and use here. Next, as and dollar symbol, here you can use procedure or function whatever you want. Now I am using on body. Next, here declare statement. Then begin, end. Then we need to close that dollar symbol. Okay, now my requirement, I am going to insert some values into table. Okay, insert into test values 1 comma name, it's like xx, comma creation date current underscore and date. Okay, that's all. Now I want this record, how many records inserted in this procedure. Now I am going to print DBMS output like in Oracle. Here rise notice. So I am declaring one variable here, numeric, and capturing here how many DML operations are here affected. Diagnostic. CNT. Okay, now I am raising the notice. Rise notice under rise notice. Uh, Set count, comma cnt. Okay, and one more thing. I want total table count as well. To cnt. Okay, this is table count. Okay, that's all. Okay, now I am going to execute this procedure called xt without parameter, right? So that's why no parameters. Okay, okay. Only insert record is 1 and table count also 1. Now you can see insert record 1, the table count is 2. Okay, similar like the count is increasing. Okay, now I'm going to create with input parameter. Now I want input parameter is number. Let's go then. Number, that is numeric, comma b underscore name text. Okay, two input I am going to give two input. This two input I am going to pass here as a input, table input values. Okay, so now I am giving, for example, 2 comma whatever like yy. I'm going to insert executing. Yeah, here you can see the count is increasing. Now I am going to select that table, this value is inserting or not. Yeah, here you can see yy last two records inserted, right? This is in parameter. Now I am going to add one more parameter like inout. For example, the procedure need to return values. Okay, so return parameter. It's like, for example, I want to based on this procedure I need to decide this procedure is executed fine or getting some errors. Based on this one, next to further step need to execute. That's why the out parameters I'm going to give here. So here, for example, return code and return message. Two parameter. The return message is text, return code numeric. Okay, so at the end, okay, return code is 0 and return message done, like that. Okay, so now I am going to create this procedure. Here you can see, right, in parameter I am passing just null. Here we need to pass mandatory, we need to pass here parameter value. Okay, what happened? Uh, Return code, return message. Setting. What happened? Uh, okay, so here we need to mention in out like that. Sorry, it's just taken directly null. That's it. So uh, drop procedure. Okay, here in out, in out. Okay, yeah, here you can see this is the return parameter. Whatever values we are giving in this inode, here you can see, right, based on this we can decide this procedure is executing fine or with error or without error. Based on this we can decide further steps. Here also the number of inserted records. That's all. Thank you.